Welcome to a new video. Today's tutorial will be about a site, ILovePDF, already introduced in a previous video on this channel, and you'll find the link in the description down below. But now we're going to deal with another functionality. First of all, I'd like to remind you that the service is online and all you have to do is search it into any browser, and it allows you to convert various format types in PDF and vice versa. And most of the functionalities are free, and we're going to analyze precisely two of this kind here down in the home page: Protect PDF and Unlock PDF. First one is Protect PDF, that enables the creation of a copy of your starting PDF, which however will need a password to be opened every single time. So it is very useful on one hand in case you want to share the file online or send it to specific people and you don't want others to open it. On the other hand, you might just want the file to be encrypted on your own device. Thus, we can proceed and select the file here, or using our Google Drive or our Dropbox, or just dragging the file from our folders like I'm doing. And now we can add more files if we want, with the same icons and options we had before. But we have to remember that all these files will be protected by the same password. At this point, all you have to do is type in a password. Like most passwords nowadays, it must have lowercase and uppercase and number, special character, and at least 8 characters. So repeat the password, and now we can protect our PDF. So in this new page, the automatical download should start. Here we are. So this is our new file. We can open it, and as we want it, a password is needed, so we enter it, and voila, the file is opened. And as you might have noted, the file is not called protected, so the real name plus protected. And in this new page, you have saved to Google Drive, saved Dropbox, delayed if you change your mind, and the most important one is share download link or scan QR code. So you can copy this link and send it via mail or every kind of message you want to the people you decide, and you can scan this QR code with a mobile phone or any other device and open the file on that one. In conclusion, if you come back to the home page, we can see the option that makes the protection of the PDF reversible. So it is right next to it is Unlock PDF, and you can, just as we did before, select a PDF or just drag in it. The downloaded one will be in the download likable, and okay, here we are. And now in this new page, we click Unlock PDF, and it will ask us to enter the password again, and in a blink of an eye, the download of this new file should start. Here we are. And now it is called Protected Unlocked One. Okay, so we have this one if we deleted the original one, and you don't need a password anymore to open it. Okay, so if you enjoyed this tutorial, hit like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.